everybody, welcome to Hiking Misadventures. We are going to be hiking McAfee Knob today, which is supposed to give you a 270-degree view of Tinker Cliffs and the Catawba Valley. We drove about 4 hours from the DC area this morning. We left a little bit late. We were hoping to get here by 10, but it's about 11:15. And Sophie's here joining us today. This is going to be her longest hike, so we'll see how she does. We're hoping we don't have to carry her in any of our packs today. She did great last time. We're hoping she'll do well again today. This is a in and out trail. I would say it's probably, easy to medium hike. You will probably get about 8.5 miles in if you do the entire Appalachian Trail way up here. But if you do the fire road, of course, you're going to shave probably about a mile off if you're hiking up and down the fire trail. If you're looking for solitude, this is not the place to find it because this is an extremely popular hike, particularly on a big holiday weekend like Easter weekend. The beginning part of the hike is probably the hardest and steepest. The first quarter mile, you climb a lot of elevation really quickly, and you can kind of see as you're going up how far down the road keeps getting. So that's the only thing to keep in mind if you're thinking about doing this hike. So we are about 1.2 miles away from the top of McAfee Knob, and this blog is called Hiking Misadventures for a reason, because I have a lot of misadventures, and our misadventure for the day was that we actually missed the Appalachian Trail and started walking up the fire road. So this actually is probably not going to be 8 miles for us, and walking up the fire road has been pretty easy. It has been pretty level, so there hasn't been a lot of incline, and we had a little bit spurts here and there, but not a lot altogether. We have found ourselves back on the trail, which feels more like a trail now. This part of the trail so far isn't too steep. It is rocky, so you do have to watch your footing so you don't, twist your ankle or something. Hi guys, we are at the top of McAfee Knob. As you can see, it is a gorgeous day up here. Beautiful view. You can just see all around. This is the Catawba Valley. It is really warm up here today, probably in the upper to mid 60s, and there are lots of people hanging out here. We started the hike probably around 11:30 and made it up here in 2 hours, I'd say, so it's not too strenuous. The Tinker Cliffs, McAfee Knob, and a little south of here, the Dragon's Tooth, is considered the Triple Crown of Virginia. So you can do that as an overnight hike if you are ambitious enough to do that. This brings back a lot of memories for me because I hiked all of this during my Thru hike in 2014. Our little dog Sophie did a fantastic job. She hiked all the way up here by herself. Well, this is the longest hike that she's done. And when she got up here, she was very tired and hungry. And now she's just been hanging out, checking things out. We're going to hang out here for a little bit, and then when we head back down to the car, I believe we're just going to take the Appalachian Trail down. If you like this video, please remember to hit subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook now at Hiking Misadventures. Also remember to sign up for my blog at hikingmisadventures.com.